We're gonna walk down there towards Dino Island and swim over there. I've only been here for one night and I already love it here. I wish I was staying here for the full week. Tomorrow, the town that I'm going to, Diamante, is maybe half an hour on the bus from here. It's not even that far. But basically, I'm gonna be working my way down the Calabrian coast towards Praia, and then after that I'll be going to Sicily for a couple of weeks and then heading to Malta. Every stop that I've made so far has been insane. Even when I've like missed my train and had to just get off the train and stop in a random town, walk around for an hour, even those towns were incredible. So I went to go drop my mom back off in Rome so she could get to the airport on Friday, and then I ended up staying in Gaeta overnight, and that place was insane. So all of these along here are affiliated beaches with the hotel that I'm staying at, but I want to go down to Dino Island. It's that big old slab right there. Ciao, raga. Wouldn't that be a sick job? Wander the beach, plant some trees. Look at this house. So last night, this one right here was completely lit up purple. The house actually, I thought it was white. But the way that the lights are on at the end of the night, it's like purple and pink with like blue lights on it as well. And it reflects on this one too. And everywhere that I've been, everybody's been really patient with my basic Italian. And it's super appreciated. You know, for the first few days of being here, I was actually kind of like scared to talk because I didn't have much conversation practice, but as the days go on, things are getting easier and I'm gaining more confidence. And overall, people have been really helpful. Like in Rome and some of the bigger cities, I've had people go back and like kind of try to talk to me in English. And because they do, I kind of use that as a cop-out when I'm feeling nervous. But the further south I go and less touristy places, the less likely they are to even speak it. And I've liked that a lot. And they've been helping me out. That's been really nice. A part of the reason of me coming here was so that I could get better at talking and learn a lot more. I figured the full immersion for 2 months was going to be really helpful, and it's been 3 weeks and it's already helped me a lot. You just start picking up on random things every day that you would have never learned in your school book, or in my case, Duolingo and YouTube, and I've been teaching myself. Like I wouldn't have known, other than go to the grocery store, I would have never learned the word buste. The lady asked me a few times if I wanted a busta. I had no idea what she was talking about, but I figured that one out. And when someone asks if you want like food to take away, say "de porta via, de porta via." Figured that one out. But yeah, it's been nice. The immersion's definitely been helping, and I'm getting more confident with spontaneous speech. I'm hoping for the same way in Brazil. I'm only going to be there for a few days, but being around it all the time, being around my girlfriend, I think that's going to be super helpful. So right now I'm learning Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. Italian I started first, and it's still my main focus, and Portuguese is next, and then I started doing Spanish too for fun. But this place has been amazing. People, the culture, the weather. It's beautiful. So the camera is kind of overheating. It's super friggin' hot out. And I've only got 30% battery left on this pod, and I didn't bring the... I have 30% battery on the camera, and I didn't bring the action pod to charge it because I plan on going in the water. So I'm going to shut this off for now, and then I'll start recording again once I get down closer to the island, and we'll go swimming. Look at these houses. Those are the ones I was talking about. It was all lit up last night. Crazy. Okay, so my camera died as soon as we got here, but I'm gonna get this video quick on my phone and show you what it looks like before we go in the water. I'm taking the phone in the water, but with a waterproof case that I got for this, it just makes all the videos look really blurry because of the case covering the lens. Just wanted to give you a look. Okay, so this is what it looks like with my case on. So I'm gonna try to go in the water and film something with the phone, just to show you what's going on over there. The water's super clear. I wonder if it'll show up on here. Buonasera.
È l'arancino.
Sì.
6,50.
Posso pagare con carta? Grazie. Mi piace questo. Perfetto, grazie. Buona serata. Let's go find somewhere to eat this. I put that down for like a minute and the fucking ants already started to get to it. Look, I can't even see. Dirty little bastards. Delish. Get some ice cream. Buonasera. Una fragola nella coppetta piccola.
Solo fragola?
Solo.
Buono piccolo. 2,50. Non batto.
E dove è ATM? È vicino?
Sì, vicino alla chiesa.
Grazie. Gonna eat this and then we're gonna go find the ATM.
Ecco qua vive il
Oh, there's the church. And there's the bay. Place I went earlier for the pizza, they have €1 glasses of wine, €1.50 bottles of beer. It's crazy. It'd be like $10 where I live. Maybe 8 if you're lucky. I always wonder what these shops make selling like souvenirs and that. Are the people walking around selling towels on the beach? Or any of that kind of stuff. If it was me on the beach, I'd probably be selling water or something cold. No one's really doing that. And that's something that you're definitely going to want. The cats of Italy are something else. They're literally everywhere. Going on a walk with a couple right now. Oh, camera shy.
Finale! Cosa voglio? Ragazzi, ci sentiamo quando volete a disposizione.